Being from Brazil and also traveling, there you go, it's a little picture of me in Brazil.
Beautiful.
And going to so many different cultures and living in so many countries, you know, with my husband's work, we get to learn so much and see things that they do different in other countries than we do here. We want to get started?
Sure.
Yes. So actually, we're going to do honey first.
Oh, do honey first?
Yes. So give a good...
How much honey?
Just get a good squeeze in there.
A good squirt from the bear?
Yes, go.
I love squeezing your belly, Mr. Bear.
That's good. So then you're going to cook that honey until it gets brown. It starts to caramelize.
Oh, you're caramelizing.
Exactly. Right. Then you add ginger.
Oh, anti-inflammatory.
There we go. Another anti-inflammatory right here. Some cloves.
Cloves.
Another anti-inflammatory. This is actually a good drink, guys.
So it's all the flavors of mulled wine, that kind of thing.
Exactly. You're going to put 2 sticks of cinnamon, some lemon.
This is very healthy.
You're going to let it all, yes it is. You're going to let it all cook it up with that honey. Then you're going to add water.
And you let that steep?
Yes, exactly. Then you want to do the honors?
Sure.
Since
what is this?
Like this, that's called cachaça. And there you have it.
We have some warm cachaça?
Now we're going to go into Thailand. So we spent a lot of time in Thailand. And one thing that always...
Oh, that is beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful? That's something like when you arrive at a hotel, that's the first thing they give it to you.
Ah, wonderful.
And they...
Oh, my gosh, they're gorgeous.
How intricate is that? I'm going to show you today how to make a simplified version of that.
Okay.
It's great for parties, okay, guys? So we're going to use orchid. If you can give me some orchids.
Sure.
We're going to do 3 orchids, and you're just going to have a very long needle. We're using fish lining for this one.
And fish line, okay.
Yep. And you're going to do just like through the flower. It's 1. So now I need 3 petals, and what we're going to do with the petals, we're going to fold it in 3. 1, 2, 3 right there. And then we're going to place them, making a crisscross like this, and 1 more.
Ah. 3sies.
There we go.
Okay.
You're so crafty.
Not at all, but thank you for lying.
I love Betsy with that every time. So we're going to crisscross like this, and you place it in the long needle, pass it through.
Cool.
And you're going to build something like this.
Beautiful.
Now, the one thing that is different from Hawaii is that the Thai version always have things hanging on the back. So the way to do that, you're gonna, once you
tie it in a knot.
So this can be like a bracelet.
So you can make a bracelet any length.
Tie it up, and then you're gonna have 2 strings. And then what you can do is you get the buds.
Thread in the buds.
Exactly. You start threading the buds on both sides. Look. And this is what you end up with.
Wow.
Awesome.
Yes.
How's that?
Pretty good.
Works? This is Mauritius, which is an island off the coast of Africa. And we were there for about a good amount of time as well, as you can be in an island like that, which was a fantastic experience. But they always have bowls of flowers at your entrance, by your door.
Oh, wow.
In your bathroom.
That's so beautiful and so simple.
So simple. It's amazing. So we're going to do something here, which we're going to do leaves in the bottom.
Okay.
We'll put a rock for weight.
Oh, cool.
Yes. Here, you want to fill it up for me?
Sure, sure.
You do one, I do the other. And we just float them up.
Oh, they're beautiful.
And really,
you can have doodads?
Yes, we can have fun with it. One great thing to do this with roses is I usually get them when they're not all the way open, and you watch them open throughout the week. All right, so now we're talking about south of France, okay? So that's a picture of a table in south of France.
I have had these huge crudités there. Yeah, they're gorgeous.
Right at the beach,
beautiful.
and you're sitting over there. The beach is right there. And what it's amazing is that, so in America, usually when you're doing, you know, a platter with dips.
It's all little sticks and all that.
Exactly. In south of France, they give you the whole thing. And they don't discriminate any fruits or vegetables. They put everything on.
They put everything on
cauliflower, radish, tomatoes, mushrooms. Think about it. If you start your dinner with something like this,
you're going to eat much less of the things that are not as great for you.
Exactly. You're going to go healthy no matter what. They always serve with different dips. So you have mustard, you have pesto, you have
vinaigrettes, hummus.
Exactly, and some rosé, of course.
I love it when Camila comes. Italia!
Grazie! Yes. So in Italy, and if you're in small towns in Italy, you know how it is. You sit on a table for hours and hours just drinking wine and eating and eating. And a great way to make your dinner, you know, your dinner party last longer is to have a centerpiece.
You make the antipasto right down the center of the table.
Right
Huge, too. Doesn't matter if there's 3 of you. It better look like you're bringing your game on.
Exactly.